How to remove connected apps from Google account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove connected apps from your Google account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Manage your Google account. And once you tap on that, you'll be prompted to your Google account. Now here at the top, you can see several tabs. So simply scroll through the tab and tap on Security tab. And now here, once you are under the Security tab, simply scroll down until you find the option labeled as Your Connection to Third-Party Apps and Services. And once you have found it, simply tap on See All Connection under that option. And here, once you tap on it, it will lead you to the page where you'll see list of all apps and websites that have access to your account. And now here to remove access, just tap on the app that you want to remove. And here, once you see the interface like this, at the bottom, you can see the option labeled as Delete All Connection. So simply tap on that and a confirmation message will pop up. From that message, simply tap on Confirm, and once you have done that, it will successfully remove the access from your Google account. And that's it. That's how you can remove connected apps from your Google account. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.